Hello, Mr. Vaibhav Bajaj, and welcome to Ongrid Designs presentation of your first concept development plan. We're thrilled to bring your vision to life with two distinct design concepts, carefully crafted to align with your unique requirements. Before we delve into these designs, we want to ensure you can interpret the plans easily. All measurements are given in feet and inches, while the top of each plan indicates north. Each design clearly specifies the internal area dimensions in the X, width, and Y, length, directions. We have also included suggestive furniture placement to aid in visualizing the space. However, the ultimate decision of furniture placement will be yours. Now, let's explore the first design concept. Design option 1 is a modern approach to farmhouse design, where the entrance foyer placed on the southern side offers a direct view from the access road. The entrance is further emphasized by fins, creating a striking space definition. Stepping into the large 33x25 hall, you'll find an openable glazing on the left, providing ample space for guests, while the boxed window on the right adds architectural interest. As we move northwards, the centrally placed pantry provides easy access, and the powder room, equipped with 3 fixtures, caters to all needs. The thoughtfully designed bedroom suite with an attached bathroom is naturally ventilated, promising a comfortable living experience. Design option 2 breaks conventional barriers with a unique geometric approach, using the floor plan's circular layout as a visual highlight. A light-infused glass vault connects the central space to the private and semi-private zones like the bedroom, kitchen pantry, and powder room. This design promises harmony, light, and fluid movement between spaces. As we conclude our presentation, we invite you to reflect on these design options. Each of these offers a unique charm and aligns with a unique lifestyle. Once you have had the chance to consider the designs, we kindly ask you to share your preferred concept with us. This choice will guide our continued collaboration as we refine the selected concept into the final design. Thank you, Mr. Bajaj, for entrusting us with your vision. We eagerly await your thoughts and look forward to continuing this creative journey together.